love,
爱
hobby,
爱好
8,
8
dad,
爸爸
used at the end of a sentence to indicate consultation, suggestion, request, or command.
8
White,
白
daytime,
白天
100,
百
class,
班
half,
半
half a year,
半年
long time, quite a while,
半天
to help,
帮
to help,
帮忙
sack, bag,
包
steamed stuffed bun,
包子
a cup of,
杯
cup, glass,
杯子
north,
北
north side,
北边
Beijing,
北京
a measure word for books,
本
notebook,
本子
than, to compare,
比
don't,
别
other,
别的
other people,
别人
disease,
病
patient,
病人
not big,
不大
wrong,
不对
you are welcome,
不客气
no need to,
不用
no, not,
不
dish, cuisine,
菜
tea,
茶
to fall short of,
差
often,
常
often,
常常
to sing,
唱
to sing,
唱歌
car,
车
ticket,
车票
in the car,
车上
station,
车站
to eat,
吃
to have a meal,
吃饭
to come, go out,
出
to come out,
出来
to go out,
出去
to wear, to put on,
穿
bed,
床
measure word for time,
次
from,
从
wrong, incorrect,
错
to play,
打
to take a taxi,
打车
to make a phone call,
打电话
to open, To turn on.
打开
To play ball.
打球
Large, big, old.
大
University.
大学
College students.
大学生
To arrive, to reach.
到
To get.
得到
Used to connect an adverbial modifier and the verb it modifies.
的
Of.
的
To wait, to await.
等
Earth, ground, field, place, land.
地
Place, site.
地点
Place.
地方
On the ground.
地上
Map.
地图
Younger brother.
弟弟
Marker of ordinal numbers.
地
O'clock.
点
Electricity.
电
Phone.
电话
Computer.
电脑
Television.
电视
TV set.
电视机
Film, movie.
电影
Cinema.
电影院
East.
东
East side.
东边
Thing, stuff.
东西
To move.
动
Action, movement.
动作
Both, all.
都
To read.
读
To read, to study.
读书
Right, correct. To, for.
对
To be sorry.
对不起
Many, much, indicating degree or extent.
多
How many, how much.
多少
Hungry.
饿
Son.
儿子
Two.
二
Rice, meal.
饭
Hotel, restaurant.
饭店
Room.
房间
House.
房子
To put, to place.
放
To have a holiday.
放假
After school.
放学
To fly.
飞
Aircraft.
飞机
Very, extremely.
非常
A unit of money, to distinguish.
分
Wind.
风
Dry.
干
Clean.
干净
To do, to act.
干
What are you doing?
干什么
Tall, high.
高
Glad, happy.
高兴
To tell.
告诉
elder brother,
哥哥
song,
歌
measure word for general things.
个
To, for, to give.
给
With,
跟
worker.
工人
To work, work, job.
工作
To turn off, to close.
关
If you're a visual learner like me, please boop that like button and stay tuned. Part 2 will be released very soon.